Welcome, Master's students, to our lesson on Learning Management Systems, LMS, where we delve into the intricate web of online education facilitation. In the previous lesson, we looked at the importance of education in technology, particularly on the synergy of device, software, and the Internet. A solid educational foundation ensures that individuals can keep pace with the rapid advancements in technology, enabling them to effectively adapt and innovate. I'm Jackson, and today, we'll dissect the multifaceted world of LMS, exploring its functions, capabilities, and the pivotal role it plays in modern education. Learning management systems, LMS, are powerful tools used by organizations and institutions to streamline their training and educational processes efficiently. It is apparent that LMS platforms provide a centralized hub for creating, delivering, and tracking online courses, making them an integral part of modern education and corporate training initiatives. These systems enable trainers and administrators to design interactive and engaging courses, manage user enrollment, and monitor progress through comprehensive analytics.
To kick things off, let's establish a foundational understanding of learning management systems. An LMS is not just a virtual classroom, it's a comprehensive framework that encapsulates the entire learning process. It acts as a dynamic platform, providing teachers and students with tools to navigate the educational landscape. Now, let's unravel the diverse functions of an LMS. From capturing progressive learning layers to distributing pedagogical material, an LMS is designed to be a powerhouse for educational administration. Its functions extend to tracking learner progress, cultivating engagement, and fostering an environment for learner achievement. Firstly, it acts as a centralized hub, giving educators and learners a digital space to interact, collaborate, and access course materials anytime, anywhere. This fosters a sense of community and engagement, making learning a breeze. Additionally, an LMS automates administrative tasks, freeing up educators' time to focus on what they do best, teaching. Grading assignments, scheduling assessments, and tracking progress become a seamless process, thanks to its intuitive design. Educational organizations worldwide have embraced LMS as a web-based software platform. It serves as the backbone for automating administrative tasks, course development, content delivery, and feedback on learner outcomes. The flexibility of open-source LMS software allows educators and students to harness its capabilities effectively. Educators wield the LMS interface to manage courses, upload content, assess and track student progress, and ensure the security and privacy of the educational environment. Communication tools embedded in the LMS facilitate seamless interaction between educators and students, creating a dynamic learning experience. From the student's viewpoint, LMS serves as a gateway to a wealth of educational resources. Authenticated users can access course content, notifications, quizzes, exams, voucher lists, attendance records, and view their results. The LMS web server, accessible via a web browser, becomes a central hub for students' educational journey. Dive into the realm of video on demand, VOD, services within LMS. This feature allows users to access uploaded videos through the primary media player interface. It's a crucial tool for delivering dynamic content, especially in the form of video, enhancing the overall learning experience. Explore popular LMS platforms like Moodle, Blackboard, and Canvas, each offering educators a suite of tools to manage course content, create assignments, facilitate discussions, and track student progress. While many are free, some may require premium upgrades for additional features. However, like any tool, LMSs come with limitations. For instance, Blackboard may pose challenges for efficient access by deaf learners. It's crucial to be aware of these limitations while leveraging the benefits of LMS in the educational landscape. In conclusion, mastering learning management systems opens doors to a new era of education. As educators and students, understanding the functions, capabilities, and limitations of LMS is key to harnessing its full potential. Thank you for joining our masterclass on learning management systems. I'm Jackson, signing off. Remember, the journey of education is ever evolving, and LMS is your companion in this dynamic landscape. In the next lesson, we will look at the educational mobile apps, EMAs. These are mobile applications that can be used for the purpose of pleasure or study. See you in the next video. Happy learning!